Christmas is just around the corner. Do you have any exciting plans for celebrating?
Absolutely. I'm planning a festive dinner with family and friends. We'll exchange gifts, enjoy a hearty meal, and maybe even sing some Christmas carols. How about you? That sounds wonderful. I'm torn between hosting a Christmas movie marathon at home or going to a festive event in the city. There's always so much to do. During the holiday season, any specific traditions you follow?
Well, we have this tradition of decorating the Christmas tree as a family. The ornaments hold so many memories, and it's heartwarming to see the tree come to life. Do you have a favorite part of Christmas decorations?
I love the twinkling lights. There's something magical about the soft glow of Christmas lights, especially when the entire neighborhood is adorned with them. It instantly puts me in a holiday spirit. Have you finished your Christmas shopping?
Almost there. I enjoy picking out thoughtful gifts for each person. It's the season of giving, after all. Do you have any go-to gifts or a particular approach to gift giving?
I try to tailor each gift to the person's interests. Whether it's a book, a cozy sweater, or something handmade. I love the idea of giving something meaningful.
And, of course, wrapping them in festive paper adds to the excitement. Speaking of which, any specific Christmas dishes you're looking forward to? Christmas dinner is always a feast. I can't wait for the roast turkey, mashed potatoes, and, of course, the classic Christmas pudding. The aroma of holiday spices is just irresistible. Do you have any special recipes you like to prepare?
I'm a sucker for gingerbread cookies. Baking them is a tradition I never miss. The house smells amazing, and it's a fun activity to share with friends or family. Do you attend any Christmas events or concerts?
Definitely. I love going to Christmas markets and local concerts. The festive atmosphere, the carolers, and the chance to shop for unique handmade gifts. It all adds to the holiday magic. Do you have a favorite Christmas carol? Silent Night gets me every time. It's so serene and timeless. There's something about singing carols that brings everyone together, don't you think?
Absolutely. It's that communal feeling of joy and togetherness. Well, no matter how you choose to celebrate, I hope your Christmas is filled with warmth, love, and plenty of festive cheer.
Likewise, here's to a season of joy, gratitude, and creating beautiful memories. Merry Christmas! Christmas is just around the corner. How are you planning to celebrate the festive season here in the USA?
I'm so excited. I'm thinking of going all out with decorations, hosting a holiday dinner, and maybe even visiting a Christmas market. How about you?
That sounds fantastic. I'm torn between attending a local Christmas parade or staying in and having a cozy movie night. With classic holiday films, there's just so much to do. During Christmas in the USA, any specific traditions you follow?
Well, we always have a grand Christmas tree decorating session. It's a family affair with everyone pitching in. The ornaments are like a walk down memory lane. Do you have a favorite part of Christmas decorations?
The lights, hands down. I love driving around neighborhoods and admiring the beautifully lit houses. It's a quintessential part of the American Christmas experience. Have you started your Christmas shopping?
I'm getting there. I always find joy in finding the perfect gifts for my loved ones. Do you have a strategy for tackling your Christmas shopping?
I try to support local businesses and find unique, thoughtful gifts. There's something special about giving a gift that has a personal touch, and, of course, wrapping presents in festive paper is part of the fun. Any Christmas dishes you're looking forward to?
Christmas dinner is a feast. I can't wait for the roast turkey, cranberry sauce, and pumpkin pie, and, of course, eggnog. It's a holiday must. Do you have any special recipes you like to prepare?
I'm a fan of baking holiday cookies, gingerbread, sugar cookies. You name it, the aroma fills the house with warmth. And it's a great activity to share with friends or family. Do you attend any Christmas events or concerts?
Absolutely. I love going to local Christmas events and concerts. The holiday markets are full of festive goodies, and the concerts with classic karo. LS always put me in the Christmas spirit. Do you have a favorite Christmas carol?
Jingle Bells always gets me singing along. It's such a cheerful and timeless tune. Speaking of which, do you have plans for Christmas Eve or Christmas Day? I usually spend Christmas Eve with family. Maybe attend a candlelight service, and on Christmas Day, it's all about the big family dinner and exchanging gifts. How about you?
Similar plans. Christmas Eve is for a cozy gathering. And on Christmas Day, it's about enjoying good food, opening presents, and creating lasting memories. Well, here's to a joyful and festive Christmas in the USA.
Cheers to that. May your holiday season be filled with warmth, laughter, and the magic of Christmas. Merry Christmas! Christmas is just around the corner. How do you plan to celebrate the festive season down under in Australia?
I can't wait. I'm thinking of having a barbecue with family and friends, enjoying the warm weather, maybe even a trip to the beach. How about you?
That sounds like the perfect Aussie Christmas. I'm torn between a traditional Christmas dinner with a roast or going for a more relaxed outdoor picnic.
There's just something unique about Christmas in the Southern Hemisphere. Any specific Christmas traditions you follow?
Well, we usually have a beach day on Christmas Eve. It's a bit of a family tradition to soak up the sun before the big day. And we always leave out a cold beer for Santa, a true Aussie touch. Do you have a favorite part of Christmas decorations?
I love the festive lights, especially, and they complement the warm summer evenings. It's a different vibe compared to the snowy scenes you see in other parts of the world. Have you started your Christmas shopping?
I'm getting there. I usually opt for more practical gifts. Considering the summer weather, maybe a new beach towel or some outdoor gear. Do you have a strategy for tackling your Christmas shopping?
I'm getting there. I usually opt for more practical gifts. Considering the summer weather, maybe a new beach towel or some outdoor gear. Do you have a strategy for tackling your Christmas shopping?
Christmas dinner in the backyard usually involves seafood, prawns, oysters, and maybe some grilled fish, and a pavlova for dessert, of course. Do you have any special recipes you like to prepare? Pavlova is a classic. I'm a fan of fruity desserts like a mango trifle. It's refreshing and suits the summer vibes perfectly. Do you attend any Christmas events or concerts? We often go to outdoor carol events or community Christmas markets. The atmosphere is so festive, and it's a great way to celebrate with the local community. Do you have a favorite Christmas carol? Six White Boomers has that Aussie twist with kangaroos pulling Santa's sleigh. It's a fun and festive tune. Speaking of which, do you have plans for Christmas Eve or Christmas Day? Christmas Eve is usually a relaxed dinner with close friends. And on Christmas Day, we'll have a big family barbecue. How about you?
Similar plans, maybe a casual Christmas Eve dinner. And on the day itself, it's about enjoying the sunshine, good food, and the company of loved ones. Well, here's to a sun-soaked and joyous Christmas in Australia.
Cheers to that. May your festive season be filled with beach days, barbecues, and unmistakable Aussie Christmas spirit. Merry Christmas.